Anyway, guys, this is Samari Peace and Waseda. Welcome to True Day Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Saturday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. But without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Utobile Msaleko was like, let me show you who's the boss around here. So yesterday she posted the picture. You can see Tobile Msaleko, Chief Communication Officer, a member of ESG team, guys. She's not just a member, guys. She's a Chief Communication Officer. Utobile, guys, she's a producer of autonomous Temo. She's in the mining industry. She's doing so much. If there's one person who's working hard, it is Tobile Msaleko, guys. This woman, she's doing the most. For those who don't know, ESG is environmental, social, and governance. It's a framework used by businesses to measure sustainability and ethical impact, guiding how companies manage risk and opportunities. Like Utobile, guys, she's so busy, guys. She's also influencer, a content creator, a reality star. She's making a lot of money, guys. So people are asking themselves, how come Msaleko is so concerned about finance like Tobile? If Coco Flow is the one who's giving Tobile Msaleko the money, why Msaleko don't ask Coco Flow to give the other wives? Guys, I realized that Umatele also has a business, Forever Living product. She works in municipality. She also has a business. If God really loves, or Coco Flow loves you, obviously he needs to give you the money that Tobile has, because people are asking themselves, what is going on? Msaleko really hates it. Tobile, she's jealous of Tobile Msaleko. No way, guys. You cannot talk about your wife's finance. Go season 7, you're talking about Tobile. Go season 8, you're talking about Tobile. Now go season 9, you're still talking about her finance. Can't you know what you're doing? Well, Tobile, she's busy because you also have your businesses. Umpomele is helping around. Umatele, she's also doing whatever she's doing. Guys, I've realized one thing. She's very rich, guys. She's a nurse. She also has a business running with her brand. It's just that she doesn't like to show off. People have said a lot of say there's a successful business around KZN. She's busy doing. It's just that she's that person who doesn't want to share. I don't know, guys, So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section. I think Osam Get you also need to be influencer, guys. Our they're making a lot of money in this industry, guys. We can see with Tirilo, guys, she's living the soft life. She has a medical aid. She's making sure she comes from a rich family, but she's also working hard. We've seen it for your guys. She's also working hard. So I think Osam, besides sitting around waiting for Msaleko to give you money or ask Tobile to give you money, it is time for you to become influencer. She's a very young, educated woman, guys. She can do online. She can be a tutor. She can even go back to work, guys. And she can start her own business. People are getting paid on Facebook. We've seen Abu Mike getting paid 180 something. There's no need for you to wait for Msaleko to give you 100 rand. Imagine, people are making money using your pictures. People are making videos on YouTube, making money. So there's a way to make money when you are famous, especially when you are part of the Msaleko's family, guys. The opportunities are open for everyone. You can sell something, trust me, it will be sold out. I've seen my business, guys. Every time whenever she advertises, everything it is sold out. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. So tell me what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.